planning your Cook Exam Prep 2025, this video is here to help you understand what the exam is really about. Let's break it down in a clear and practical way so you can study with confidence. First, here's something important to remember. This exam is not testing whether you can memorize recipes. It's testing whether you can work safely, efficiently, and professionally in a real kitchen. Most Cook exams include around 100 to 150 multiple choice questions. You're usually given 3.5 to 4 hours to complete the test. That means pacing and focus matter just as much as knowledge. A big portion of the exam focuses on food safety. You might see questions about temperature control, cross-contamination, sanitation, and storage practices. If an answer ignores safety rules, it's usually not the right choice. Another major area is kitchen operations. This includes workflow, equipment use, and basic management decisions. Think about how you organize your station during a busy service. That real-world thinking often points you toward the correct answer. Expect questions about ingredients and preparation methods as well. You won't be tested on trendy dishes. You'll be tested on foundational cooking principles and techniques. Topics often include knife skills, cooking methods, and basic nutrition awareness. There may also be math-related questions. These usually involve portion control, scaling recipes, or basic measurements. Nothing advanced, just practical calculations used in everyday kitchen work. Now let's talk about how to approach the Cook Exam Prep 2025 itself. Start by answering the questions you feel confident about. This helps build momentum and keep stress low. Mark the tougher questions and return to them later. Here's the thing many people forget. The exam is based on how cooks actually work. Ask yourself what you would do during a real shift. The safest and most professional option is often the correct one. If you haven't written an exam in years, feeling nervous is completely normal. Preparation is about consistency, not cramming. Short focused study sessions work better than long ones. Practice questions, explanations, and timed tests all help build confidence. JourneymanStudyGuide.com offers structured resources for trades exams. Consistent preparation reduces stress and improves performance. Stay steady, stay focused, and walk into exam day ready.